are you doing?
Mama,
You did nice grill.
I
Look,
always do nice drills. Oh, there's another one.
it's coming to you.
Two more. Well, maybe they're ready to be cooked. Get it?
On grill.
Yeah.
On your grill. Ice cream to dessert, but mainly strawberries, and on top I put ice cream because I don't have sour cream. And it would be nice to have sour cream with those, but I don't know. I mean, I don't have so. Just ice cream. So here I am in the DW Field Park. It's really nice today. We have 2nd of August and it's really nice weather. Finally the heat waves came a little bit through and now we have 82 Fahrenheit and it's so nice here. Look guys, here is lake and shade and nice fresh air. Very nice day today. Bye. $52. I film it.
I don't want it filmed.
Just this.
Why?
Because I will do vlogs. I want to upload every day something. I do
Yeah.
it since 2 weeks now.
No, I want to make sure you start making money off
Yeah.
of it for me.
I want to make money, that's why I need some more content.
The problem is, you know.
Because I need to watch time for 4,000 hours and I still need 270 hours. That's why I need to upload more.
You need mouthwash, I think so.
Oh, look in there.
You have like this much.
Now, bless you, if you're going to finish the cooking, good.
So what I do here?
There's not much to do.
Beef is already done?
Yeah, behind you. You're just going to add it in there.
Uh-huh.
Just keep it warm. I'll put down what I want.
Mixing it. Looks nice. Product. American chop suey.
Would you say finished product?
Yeah. Something happened. Oh, guys, so when it comes to my tidying room, so I put some more cubes from IKEA, drawn ones, and I had to put here some stuff. Here are my Michael Kors bags. Here are some winter and summer clothes. Here I put another cube with some backpacks from Michael Kors, and here I have my dogs from Victoria's Secret. A little change. Now it's here is another bag. Here are my dogs from dollar store, and they sit here. Here is another one. Here is some cute stuff from dollar store. You can put here things, to-do list, and it's stuck to fridge or something. I plan to make from this a pen holder, I think, and then I have it on my desk. And I tidy my closet. I also put bins here in my closet from IKEA, and I put the shoes, as this closet doesn't have any shelves, so I also stuck there some bins here, as you can see, and here I put jeans there. I don't know if you can see. And here I have some shoes, and here I put this thing from some store, and here you can put some shoes too, or like slippers. I have fuzzy slippers like so, so I stuck them here. I have fuzzy socks also. Oh, some flat shoes, flat sandals. And then on the other side, it looks much better. than before. Oh, this falling out. See this piece? It's slippery. And here I have dividers that I had from IKEA. Dividers are from IKEA. Here are some clothes hanging, and here is another IKEA box, and I put here some stuff from Victoria's Secret. And here is shelf with shoes and stuff like that, and I have to hang this rope from Victoria's Secret, as I got another hangers, as I had not enough of them. These are from dollar store hangers, so I will hang my robe. And also I got the hook here on the shelf for towels, as the ones I have another one but it was falling down, so now I have hanger from that it's screwed, not attached. It's with screws, and this way it stays. Yeah, but I don't like the thing here. Maybe I would put here cubes, but then it's hard to take them down. I don't know. Cause this backpack, or I put this backpack somewhere else. Yeah, that's how I keep stuff. Here are shoes on bottom, and also I put it the way that they are now, like this way, because it's easier to know which one I want to grab. So it's easier this way than when it's lay flat. I only have few laying flat, and the rest is vertical. And I also have shoes, new ones, that will have to do unboxings, and then I put it maybe here. I still have some place here. See, cube with jeans.